Hello guys, for another video. In this short video I will show you a site can help you to find ideas with low competition, and also you can find some trends ideas to upload on Redbubble. Open wish.com. As I said, this is a short video. Now you can type your niche here, for example nurse. Like you see, you just search for any idea and see how much this idea was already sold. And also you can check the trends here and search for any trend t-shirts or any trend clothes. You can generate an idea from it. So guys, this is the end of this short video. Like I said, this video is a short about Wish and how you can use Wish to find trends and ideas to upload on Redbubble. So don't forget to give the video a like and subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.